But he goes, hey, you've probably seen my viral video. It has over 600 views. And people are jumping at the bit to find out for part 2. This is part 2. But be sure if you haven't seen part 1, go back and watch part 1 so you know what's going on. But the Bilderbergers, the Rothschilds, and the Illuminati been using this stuff for years, and they're hiding it from you because it'll change your life, repair mitochondrial DNA, and kill slugs. But it's impossible to get. You can't find it anywhere. It's illegal in 48 of 50 states. You can't find it.